everyone, it's Mari here for Honeybee Stamps. I'm going to be creating this sweet little card for you today using products from the beautiful Petastic release from Honeybee. I'm going to be using the adorable Meow and Furever stamp set. How sweet is this? I love all of these really adorable little kitty cat images and the little bird bath and so on. Really, really sweet. And then of course there's a coordinating die set that cuts out all of the images and the sentiments as well. I'm starting off here with a card panel in my MISTI, and I'm going to just ink up the focal point image that I have here with some black alcohol ink friendly ink. And I'm just going to stamp that out on my white card panel here. I'm also going to stamp out a few other images. Wasn't really sure which images I wanted to use for sure from the set. So I'm just doing a bunch, and I'm going to color a bunch of different little images here to use as, or possibly use for my card today. Now I am going to be using Olo markers today. Now these are really beautiful alcohol markers that work really, really well. Do I like them more than Copics? I wouldn't say so. I still love my Copics and I still use my Copic markers, but these are just another alternative in my collection of coloring tools to use. And I like that there's just a variety of different colors as opposed to the colors in my Copic collection. And I am using Express It paper with my markers here, and the Express It paper just seems to work a little bit better with the Olos than some of the other paper options. So that's what I've stamped my images out onto here. Now I do start with the darkest color that I'm going to be using in my color family. And of course I'm using warm grays, as you can see here. I started off with the darkest color and just laid in some of the shadow areas. And then I went in with the next lighter color and started to pull out some of those shadows. And I'm just going to use a little bit of a light pinky red color on the cheek of this sweet little kitty cat, and then I'll go ahead and start coloring these adorable little birds. I love all of this little bird imagery that's part of this set. This is just such an adorable design, and I just wanted to kind of create these little blue birds floating or flying around and flitting around the kitty cat and the bird bath. I think that they're just so sweet. And again, you can see that I'm using just a combination of lights and dark blues here just for some really simple coloring. So I am not a professional alcohol marker colorist by any stretch, but I do really love using my alcohol markers to color images, and these images in this Meow and Furever set are just the cutest. I had so much fun with them. So if you haven't seen the rest of the Petastic collection, I have linked up to it in the description box below, so make sure you check it out if you love to include free little critters in your card making and your designs. This collection is just perfect for you. There's a really sweet variety of different images that you can use for your different projects. I wanted to do a combination of pink, yellow, and purple for the florals around the bird bath. So here you can just see that I'm using a combination of those hues here to color in. And again, nothing complicated here. I'm just going in with, again, trying to lay in some lights and darks to create a variation in the color, some darks for the shadows, and just to kind of create a little bit of depth and dimension and interest in the imagery here. I'm going to color the little stones that are in front of that bird bath. I love that the little stonework is included there to create a little bit of a grounding for the image. And you can just see here I'm using a cool gray collection of colors to color that in. And then I'm going into my oranges and using some orange tones to color in the bird bath. And I will just use the lines on the design to help me decide where I'm going to put the darker colors here. So you can just see I'm using those little lines on the pedestal of the bird bath to help me create those little shade marks or shadow marks, and that does help to create a little bit more of a 3D look. Now there are coordinating dies for all of these different images as part of that as part of that Meow and Furever collection, and I love that so much. Now, I do have the Paw Prints 3D embossing folder here as well. I did go ahead and die cut with the Sweet Stacks rectangle dies a panel for the front of my card, and I did use that embossing folder to emboss it. I used the next largest Sweet Stacks rectangle die to cut a black panel or mat for behind that embossed panel. I'm going to use my Honeybee liquid adhesive here, which I love. If you have not ever tried Honeybee's adhesive, I highly recommend it. It is a really, really good glue. And I'm going to just go ahead and use that liquid adhesive here to glue the embossed panel onto that black mat. And you can just see how that really nicely frames in that embossed piece. And that's all going to get attached to a top folding A2 size note card that's white. So I'll just go ahead and use my liquid adhesive again to adhere my black panel onto my card base. I'm just going to take a second to center this out a little bit for you. While I'm working on this, I just wanted to mention that Honeybee is having a sale on Saturday, March 15th to Monday, March 17th. And that sale is 20% off their spring collection that they've identified on the website. I will make sure and link up to that in the description box below. And so that's a sale that's running for 3 days, March 15th to 17th. So make sure you check that out. It's a really good time to shop some spring products in the collection that are on sale. I'm going to use a mini action wobbler on my one little kitty cat that is standing up or on its hind legs. And so I'm just going to take the adhesive off the one side of the action wobbler, and I'll just go ahead and take a look at that and see if that lines up well. And then I'll take the adhesive off of the backer. And I wanted to add this over to the side of the bird bath to make it look like the little kitty cat is trying to stand up and interact with the birds. And so you'll just see this little kitty cat going on to the side there. And then I'll just show you how that makes this a little bit more of an interactive card. And I love how that the wobblers also go flat so that when you put this into a card, you can see how it flattens out, or when you put it into an envelope, it flattens out. And then, of course, it springs up when you take it out of the envelope. So this is so sweet, and I just wanted to take and add a few little white dots with my white gel pen here and there. And so you can just see here, I'm going to go ahead and add just a few little dots on like the cheeks and just some little highlights on the birdies, on the back of the kitty cat and that kind of thing. And it just kind of adds a little bit of extra interest. Now I'm taking a little bit of glossy accents and I'm going to add a little dab of this glue here and there on my project to the centers of some of the flowers, for example, to some of the little butterflies and the birdies and so on. And that is going to allow me to add a little bit of glitter to the card, which is going to add some really pretty sparkle and shine, which I love to add to my projects, especially a sweet little card like this. I think it's a perfect addition. So now that I've got that glossy accents on there, I'm going to take some really nice chunky glitter and I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that over top. I'll just tap the excess off onto that copy paper and then put that back into the container. And I've set my card off to dry. At this point, I'm going to stamp out the sentiment. This is a sentiment from the Meow and Furever set, and it is so sweet. I'm going to just put a little bit of foam adhesive onto the back of that, and I've stamped that out just on some white cardstock with some black ink so that it just matches nicely with the rest of the card, and it just fits beautifully at the bottom of the focal point of the card here. And I'll just go ahead and add that on, and that's going to finish off my project today. Thanks so much for watching today, friends. I hope that you enjoyed watching my process. I know I haven't been around a whole lot. I've only been here with videos here and there lately because I have been sick, but yeah, it's always nice to get back and get a video done and posted here and work with Honeybee's beautiful products as always. So take care, friends. I hope you enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you again very soon. Bye-bye.